Hi, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. We'll wait for some more time and then get on with the show. Thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Yeah, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shrews Eternity's Sunday Live. So today we'll be showing you organza sarees, and we also have one kanta saree, very exclusively designed saree to be showcased. And then we will move on to our soft silk collection, and then finally we'll end the show with our affordable Kanjivaram range. The range of sarees will be around 6,000 and it goes up to 9,000 in today's video. People who would like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the comment section. Post the live session is over, you can click on the link to buy all these sarees. With that, we'll start the session. Before we start, I would like to tell you about the saree that I am wearing. So this is a beautiful Pochampally woven organza saree. Comes with silver color jari border on either sides of the saree. The whole of the body has beautiful Pochampally designs along with nice silver and gold jari woven buttas all over the body. Comes with a beautiful green colored jari pallu and a plain green color blouse. I have matched it with a contrast brocade blouse. The price of the saree is
6950.
Yeah. With that, we'll get on with the show.
We'll start the show with saree number 1, priced at 6,450, 6450.
This is a kanta work saree, as I told you, very exclusively designed. It's a village themed saree. Gold jari borders on each sides of the saree. The borders of the saree are cream in color with beautiful village kanta work designs in it. And the mid portion of the saree is a brick orange with beautifully woven patterns all over. And it's got a striped jari pallu along with embroidery buttas and a plain orange color blouse.
Saree number 1, priced at 6,450.
So I'll be showing you pure organza silk saree, very similar to what I am wearing.
Saree number 2, priced at 6,950, 6950.
So this is going to be candy pink, beautiful round jari woven buttas in silver and gold all over the body. It comes with silver color jari border on either sides of the saree. A beautiful striped jari pallu in dark MS blue and a plain blue color blouse.
Yes, saree number 2, priced at 6,950, 6950.
Next, I'll be showing you two colors of the same saree that I am wearing. This
Saree
is
number
a
3, priced at 6,950.
beautiful brown with green combination. Silver color jari border on either sides of the saree. The whole of the body has Pochampally woven patterns along with jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. Comes with beautifully woven jari pallu in green and a plain green color blouse.
Yes, saree number 3, priced at 6,950. Moving on to saree number 4, priced at 6,950, 6,950, saree number 4.
This is a beautiful light brick orange with blue combination. Very pretty Pochampally designed patterns all over along with jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. Comes with silver color jari border on either sides. Beautifully woven blue color jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Yeah,
Very pretty saree.
Yeah, this is saree number 4, priced at 6,950. Yeah, we'll start off with our soft silk collection for this session, starting with saree number 5, priced at 5,980, 5,980.
This is a beautiful dark pink with Ganga Jamuna borders. Comes with a green color border in the upper portion along with jari, and the lower half of the saree has a blue color border along with jari. Beautiful blue color pallu along with a plain blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 5, priced at 5,980. Moving on to saree number 6, priced at 5,980, 5,980.
This is another color variant in the same design. This is going to be a dark violet in the upper portion along with gold jari border. The whole body is plain cream in color. The lower half of the sari has a tomato pinkish red color border along with jari and a plain tomato pink colored pallu and a plain blouse.
Sari number 6 priced at 5,980. Moving on to sari number 7 priced at 5,680. 5680.
Beautiful plain body saris. This is a nice marble yellow with bottle green combination. Very pretty bottle green color border on either sides. Beautiful marble yellow colored body and a fully jari woven green colored pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 7 priced at 5,680. Moving on to sari number 8 priced at 5,680. 5680.
I have colors in the same design. This is going to be an onion pink with teal combination. Beautiful plain borders. Very pretty color combination. Beautifully designed jari pallu and a plain teal color blouse.
Yes, sari number 8 priced at 5,680. Moving on to sari number 9 priced at 5,680.
This is a beautiful parrot green with an orangish pink shade. Beautiful sari, very pretty jari pallu and a plain orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 9 priced at 5,680.
We have the last color in the same design. This
Sari
is
number
a
10 priced at 5,680.
beautiful red with green combination. It's a nice blood red. Plain green color borders. Very pretty jari pallu in green and a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 10 priced at 5,680. Moving on to sari number 11 priced at 5,280.
This is going to be a tomato with red green combination, a tomato pinkish red. So that's going to be the whole body. Beautiful green color borders on either sides of the sari. And it's got a self-striped pallu and a plain blouse. Very pretty color combination.
Yeah, this is sari number 11 priced at 5,280. Moving on to sari number 12 priced at 7,480. 7,480.
This is a beautiful orange with teal combination. The body is quite plain with kanji borders on either sides of the sari. It has beautiful peacock jari woven buttas in the borders and a very richly woven teal colored jari pallu and a fully jari woven teal color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 12 priced at 7,480.
Next we have a pink with blue combination, a self-striped pattern all over.
Sari number 13 priced at 6,950.
Beautiful borders on either sides of the sari in blue and teal blue. Beautifully woven pallu, fully jari woven pallu and a self-striped blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 13 priced at 6,950. Moving on to sari number 14 priced at 7,480. 7,480.
This is again a teal with an orange combination, orangish pink combination. The whole of the body has beautiful jari woven stripe pattern and the borders of the sari has thin strip of gold jari border on either sides. A beautifully woven jari pallu, floral jari pallu and a striped orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 14 priced at 7,480.
Next we have a nice deep purple, a borderless sari with round jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. And that's going to be the pallu, a beautiful jari pallu and a fully butta woven blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 15 priced at 7,980. 7,980. Moving on to sari number 16 priced at 8,280. 8,280.
This is a orange with bottle green combination. A borderless sari with kolam buttas, gold jari woven kolam buttas all over the body. A beautifully woven green colored jari pallu, very intricately woven pallu and a butta woven bottle green color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 16 priced at 8,280.
Next we have a grey with orange combination.
Sari number 17 priced at 8,980.
Excellent color combination. The whole of the body has manga jari woven silver buttas. The upper portion of the sari has a plain silver jari border. The lower half of the sari has huge paisley buttas in an orangish pink shade, a beautifully woven orange colored jari pallu, and a plain orange color blouse.
Yes, saree number 17 price at 8,950, 8,950. Moving on to saree number 18 price at 9,280, 9,280.
This is a beautiful navy blue with Pelachi green combination. Very pretty woven jari borders in silver on either sides of the sari. And in between the checkered pattern, you have abstract jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. A very pretty elachi green colored jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Saree number 18 price at 9,280.
Moving on to our Kanjivarams.
Yeah, starting with saree number 19 price at 6,280, 6,280.
This is a beautiful orange with pink combination. Woven jari borders on either sides of the sari, as you can see. And the whole of the body has brocade designs along with jari woven buttas. And that's going to be the pallu, a jari woven pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 19 price at 6,280, 6,280, saree number 19.
Next we have a very unique color combination. It's going to be a grey with black. Jacquard woven thread buttas all over along with jari buttas in manga jari woven buttas all over the body. It's got a very pretty jari border on either sides of the sari with floral patterns.
Saree number 20 price at 6,280, 6,280.
That's going to be the whole body. And a beautiful jari pallu in black and a plain black color blouse.
Saree 20 price at 6,280, 6,280. Moving on to saree number 21 price at 6,780, 6,780.
Very traditional Karun Pachai. Beautiful sari, very pretty sari, and very at an affordable range. Beautiful jacquard woven patterns all over along with jari woven manga buttas, and it's got a beautiful border on either side of the sari. Very pretty jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Saree number 21 priced at 6,780. Moving on to saree number 22 priced at 6,780, 6,780.
This is a nice Rani pink with blue combination. Very pretty jari woven borders on either sides of the sari. Extremely richly woven borders and buttas all over the body. It's got a mail butta all over the body with jari woven jacquard patterns all over. Fully jari woven blue colored pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree number 22 priced at 6,780. Moving on to saree number 23 priced at 7,980, 7,980.
Beautiful black with maroon combination. Floral borders on either sides. The whole body has jari woven gold buttas all over. That's going to be the whole body. The maroon colored jari pallu and a plain maroon color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 23 priced at 7,980. Up next is saree number 24 priced at 7,980, 7,980.
This is a lighter shade of green. It's a leaf green with brick orange combination. Woven jari borders on either sides of the sari with manga buttas and leaf buttas in both gold and silver. Jari woven buttas all over. A beautiful brick orange colored jari pallu and a plain brick orange color blouse.
Yes, saree number 24 priced at 7,980.
Next we have a navy blue with pink and iron butta concept sari.
Saree number 25 priced at 6,780.
A beautiful border which has yane and peacock buttas, and the whole body has round floral jari woven buttas. It's got a very rich pallu in pink, fully jari woven, and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this might seem like black, but this is
But
actually
it's
a dark
actually
blue.
darker blue.
Yeah, saree number 25 priced at 6,780. Saree number 26 priced at 7,980, 7,980.
This is a very pretty pink, a self-colored sari, a nice Rani pink with woven borders on either sides. which has nice peacock buttas, and the whole of the body has floral buttas, jari woven floral buttas. A very pretty lighter pink color jari pallu, which has got huge paisley designs, and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 26, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 27, priced at 7,980, 7,980.
This is again an iron butta concept. Beautiful woven borders on either side, which has got nice manga buttas, and the whole of the body has tiny jari woven floral buttas. So that's going to be the whole body. A very pretty purple colored jari pallu, which has got a nice checkered pattern with floral patterns, and a plain purple color blouse.
Saree number 27, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 28, priced at 7,980.
This is another color variant with the same design. This is a nice mild curl to blue with purple combination. Beautiful manga designed borders on either sides. Round floral jari woven buttas all over the body. Very pretty jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse.
Saree number 28, priced at 7,980.
Next we have a nice magenta with a lighter shade of brick orange. Beautiful floral patterns in the border. Iron gutta concept again. That's going to be the whole body. A double shaded pinkish orange colored pallu and a plain pinkish orange colored blouse.
Saree number 29, priced at 7,980.
The last saree for today.
Yeah, the deal of the day saree. Saree number 30, the actual price is 8,950. And the deal price is 6,950. 6,950, saree number 30.
This is a very pretty handloom soft silk saree. It's a light elachi green with peach combination, plain peach color border on either side of the saree. The whole of the body has tiny jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. A beautiful peach colored jari pallu and a plain peach color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 30, priced at 6,950. That's all for this session.
So thank you so much for joining in. People who would like to buy these sarees that we showcased in the live today, there will be a link that will be present in the comment section. The link is active. You can go ahead with your purchase. People who would like to get stitching and embroidery done, please go ahead with your order first and then fill in the Google form. If at all you have any queries, you can always contact us in our WhatsApp number, which is 7604936565. Simultaneously, you can also log on to www.shrewseternity.com. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab to look at all these sarees. Thank you so much for joining. We'll catch you with our next live session on Wednesday. Stay happy, stay safe. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.